In this video, you're going to learn 10 business English idioms that native speakers often use. These idioms are often used in conversations rather than in formal writing. But I've seen some people still use them in internal email and memos. So without any further ado, here are the top 10 business English expressions you should know. Number 1, run something past someone. Boss, here's your document. Okay, could you run this past Tom before we send it out? Run it past Tom. Hey Tom! Hey Josh! To run something past someone means to get someone's opinion or permission. It's another way of saying get checked. For example, could you run it past him? You could also say, could you run it by him first? Could you double check with him? Could you ask him to look over it and make sure it's okay? Number 2, back to the drawing board. Back to the drawing board means to start over again because something failed. For example, we have to go back to the drawing board. You could also say, we have to go back to square one. We have to start over again. Number 3, from the ground up. From the ground up means to start from the very beginning. For example, we have to create a plan from the ground up. You could also say, we have to create a plan from scratch. We have to create a plan from the beginning. Number 4, get someone up to speed. Hey, welcome back. How was your vacation? Thanks for asking. It was great. A lot of things happened while you're away. Let's get you up to speed. Get me up to speed? Are you saying I'm slow? I'm a fast runner. To get someone up to speed means to inform someone about the most current information. When a coworker comes back from a long vacation, or when there are new team members, you want to help them get up to date so that they can start working right away. For example, she helped him get up to speed with the project. You could also say, she helped him get up to date with the project. We briefed him on the project and now he's all caught up. Number 5, up in the air. Up in the air means it's uncertain. No one knows for sure. For example, the launch date is still up in the air. You could also say, the launch date is not set in stone yet. There is no fixed date for the launch. Number 6, bring to the table. To bring to the table means to offer a value or a benefit. Here's my resume. Given the experience and skills that I can bring to the table, I believe I'd be a great addition to your team. With 10 years under his belt, I think he brings a lot to the table. Number 7, to test the water. To test the water means to find out people's opinions about your idea. For example, before you decide to fully commit to creating a whole product, you might want to consider creating a small version of the same product and test it out and see how the customers will respond. If they like it, then maybe you can go ahead and create a bigger product. For example, let's test the water and see how the market will respond. You could also say, let's test and find out what the customers will think of it. Number 8, on the back burner. If something is on the back burner, it has been postponed because it's not urgent or important. For example, the project has been put on the back burner. You could also say, the project has been put on hold for now. All events have been deferred until further notice. Number 9, get the ball rolling. Josh, this is a great proposal. I really like it. I'm gonna assign Sean and Ashley on this project with you, so why don't you guys just go ahead and get the ball rolling, okay? Okay, boss. I'll get the ball rolling. To get the ball rolling means to start something. For example, let's get the ball rolling. You could also say, let's set in motion. Let's put it into action. You can go ahead and get started. Number 10, by the book. By the book means to strictly follow the rules. Okay, done. Boss, here's our financial document. Josh, I see that you tried to be a little creative here on our financial statement, But the auditor wants us to do everything by the book, so fix this! By the book usually goes with the verb go, play, or do. That's a wrap. Once again, here are the 10 business English expressions you learned today. Run something past someone. Back to the drawing board. From the ground up. Get someone up to speed. Up in the air. Bring to the table. Test the water. On the back burner. Get the ball rolling. By the book. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe to the Splash English channel and join my mailing list. I'll be sharing tips and lessons to help you improve your English. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.